Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn Memory Saver on or off in Chrome on your PC. Memory Saver is a feature in Chrome that helps optimize memory usage, allowing for smoother browsing experiences. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Click on More. Look for the icon consisting of 3 vertical dots at the top right corner of the browser window. Step 3. Select Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose the Settings option. Step 4. Click on Performance. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the Performance tab. Step 5. Turn Memory Saver on or off. Here, you'll find the Memory Saver option. Simply toggle it on or off according to your preference. Enabling Memory Saver can help reduce memory usage and enhance browsing speed, especially on devices with limited resources. However, keep in mind that certain websites or features may not function optimally when Memory Saver is enabled. That's it. You've successfully learned how to turn Memory Saver on or off in Chrome on your PC. Watch the video tutorial for a visual walkthrough of the process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative tutorials.